Yo guys, what's going on? Henry here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Diaria DK61E Gateron optical switches with PBT double shot keycaps. This cost me about $70-something on Amazon, and I will send you the link. So let's get into this. So in the box, let's get a close-up on this. So it is a mechanical 60% keyboard made by Keymove. This is the Diaria series. Included, we have keyboard, the manual, and then you open this up, and you have a keycap and switch puller, because this keyboard is hot swappable. 2 replacement Gateron switches. There's a red and a brown, and a USB-C 90-degree braided cable for connection. Now this is a wired/wireless keyboard, and so you can have it either Bluetooth or you can have it hooked up to your computer. It has Bluetooth 5.0, so it connects to iOS and Mac things. Okay, it has quite a good weight to it, because of the battery pack in the back. It has a plastic shell. It's got flip-up rubber feet. And if we can get a little closer here, we will do a sound test. So I'm just going to come over here. So the stabilizers are quite good on the thing. It's just slightly shaky. This is a, it seems to be quite a nice thing. Let's just, so I need to charge it, but yeah, and so if you'll watch this, we will open up one of these and we'll pull off a keycap just to show you. We can switch it out for the, we can just look at it. I do have other keycaps coming. I'll be customizing this in another video along with the review. We're just gonna pop that on there, and I don't think I did it right. I have, if you could tell, it's my first mechanical keyboard where you can actually take off the switches. There we go. So we have the PBT double shot keycaps. And if you'll look here, we have the red switches in. And those are Gateron optical switches. You just push it back in and boom. So yes, that is the DK61. I do recommend it. It seems quite good quality. And I will see you guys in the next video where I'll be reviewing it and customizing it. So I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.